Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC, we do everything DIY, and today we're going to be doing some maintenance on these CAMUS boilers. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on these CAMUS boilers. Specifically, we're going to be changing the condensate neutralizer. If we look at this boiler, the burner state is in a lockout. It says Dynaflame 5000 fault, lockout 67 ILK off. So we're gonna start with this one. So what we do is usually we shut this thing down because we don't want to get burned over there. So we're gonna shut that thing down and let things be. So we're safe to start here, as this one is basically already turned off. So step number one, shut this thing down. Take a look at this room. These are the boiler hot water pumps. We got two of them. All right. Here's your primary pump for this specific boiler. Pretty cool. I love how this is like a mirror shape. Really beautiful, beautiful looking boiler. So this is a high efficiency boiler, and these boilers condensate, and the condensate is acidic. Alright, so we're going to follow that condensate line, and it comes down into here. This is the condensate neutralizer, and we have the media inside of it, and we're going to be replacing that today. Pay attention to the direction that this is in, and we're going to put things back the same way that we found it. We're going to disconnect this part here and disconnect this part here, which just has a clamp on, a little pipe clamp. So we're going to disconnect that and get started. Start by loosening up that pipe clamp. There you go, to pull the hose out. Alright, let that leak out into the bag a little bit if there's anything left. This boiler has been down, it shouldn't be too much, so it is what it is. But yeah, got a little bit of water in there. Let's get that going in there. Alright, got the boys here, and we're going to do the same for the other side. And pull it out a little bit. This thing is mounted in place, so it might be a little bit hard to get it out. Alright, let that be. This already is going down to the floor drain. You gotta make sure this thing is pitched right. Anyways, as you can see, we have a clamp on here. So what we're gonna do to make things easier, we're gonna use that to our advantage. Instead of using two pipe branches, we should be able to get away with one, as this clamp will be holding us back. We're gonna have to take off this cap here, loosen it up so we can get to the contents inside. So I will start with the pipe wrench, leaving this to hold you back. We're gonna put the pipe wrench on here, loosen it up, and then we're gonna pull this thing out. Now to get the pipe wrench, loosen up that cap. Yeah, hold that down. Oh, still spinning, huh? Yeah. You know what? You're probably gonna need the next pipe wrench. This thing is on pretty tight. This whole thing is spinning. Unless you got some good grip strength, man.
I don't think I do.
Try it, man. You gotta start going to the gym. There you go. There you go. Now let's loosen that up. Alright, there we go, there we go. Alright, we're gonna use two adjustables. Maybe one adjustable and a nut driver would have been nice, but let's just loosen that up and it should come out by hand, alright? Alright, we got this one free. Let's dump the contents in there. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Let's dump that out. Let's take it over to the side so we can change this up. Condensate Neutralizer by FM Industries. Alright, let's open that up. Let's open that up. And we're going to dump the contents inside over there. Alright, let's dump all that out. Alright, that's what that looks like. Alright, let's dump that one out. There you go. Then we're going to rinse this off. We're gonna take out the old Teflon tape and we're gonna rinse this off in the slop sink. Alright, let's just rinse all that out. Alright. Alright, let's get some new Teflon tape around there. Alright, fill it up. We got two components here. Go ahead. Try to match it up basically with what we got over there. Alright, so there's two parts to this. We got this here, and we're gonna sprinkle it on top. There you go. Alright. Cool. Alright. Let's close it up by hand. Then we're gonna mount it back to its bracket and give it its final spin. Now we're just gonna shake it up, make sure it's nice and even. And we're gonna put it on the mounting bracket. We're gonna use that to hold back. Put these two together. Find a nice happy medium. Let's clamp it back. We're gonna put the nut and bolt through there. Yep, tighten it up, and we're going to use that to hold us back, and we're going to use the pipe wrench to tighten up the cap. Alright, while we're tightening it up, let me explain what exactly this is. Condensate Neutralizer is a device typically filled with calcium carbonate, which is limestone, or other alkaline media that raises the pH level of acidic condensate water produced by high efficiency boilers and furnaces. Alright, while we're tightening this up, basically high efficiency boilers produce acidic condensation, and it's basically going to pass through this media to raise the pH level before it goes down the drain, so we protect all the pipes and the environment, and that's pretty much it. And this is something you want to do routinely. Just going to tighten up the pipe clamps. Alright, we're using LipHter neutralization media, part number NM25 by Axiom, and it's made of high quality magnesium oxide and sometimes calcium carbonate. So yeah, it's a good product. We're going to tighten this thing up and they're going to be alright. And this is something you definitely want to do, because you start damaging the sewer system and your piping, it can be extremely costly. Just finish that up. Let's clean up the garbage. Let's pack up our tools. So if you notice, this is the exhaust. Okay, this is the exhaust for the boilers. Pay attention to this. It's connected to the drain. Comes in through here. So not only is the boiler condensating, apparently so is the exhaust. So they both go in and then they tee off into a condensate neutralizer, and then it goes into the drain. Little while back, we saw this whole thing flooding over here. We're like, what's going on? And what happened was that the media inside there, it wasn't changed in a while, and it was completely packed. And basically it clogged up the piping. Everything was overflowing here, overflowing in the boiler. So this is something you definitely want to do periodically. That's pretty much it. It's a super cool room. But as far as right now, I'm gonna wrap it up here. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.